Hello everyone, and welcome to Shoplista. Today I am going to show you how to eat healthier for less. Everything I brought here was only $52.70. All the items that I brought are great for weight loss. If you want to know them all by name, keep watching. Without further ado, let's go shopping. One of the great places to shop produce for great prices is any farmer's market. My nearest farmer's market is just 4 blocks away and is open year-round with great prices. These fresh, juicy oranges are just $1 for purchasing 3 of them, and these grapefruits are $2 for 3 of them. Next up, we have limes. Not only are limes great to promote weight loss, but they are also great for your skincare routine. According to tsmp.com, limes can help slow down the production of melanin, which accumulates in the skin, causing discoloration and other aging signs. It can also help improve elasticity and promote new skin cell growth. According to WebMD.com, pineapple juice is high in vitamin C, which can help protect your body against the common cold. It also contains enzymes that have been shown to activate a healthy immune system response. Pineapple juice contains an enzyme called bromelain, which triggers your body's ability to fight pain and reduce swelling. The benefits of this superfood can be obtained by consuming not only the radish roots, but also the flowers, leaves, and seeds. Radishes are great at detoxifying the body, as well as improving the liver and stomach functions. One satisfying crunch will help purify your blood and increase oxygen into your bloodstream. According to Healthline.com, cucumbers are high in nutrients. Cucumbers are low in calories, but high in many important vitamins and minerals, contains antioxidants, promotes hydration, aids in weight loss, and lowers blood sugar. Here is a great life hack. There are specific fruit and veggies that are only harvested in the summer. Those products will be cheaper. Compare the prices that are in supermarkets to the prices that are in farmers' markets. If I were to buy all of this produce from a supermarket, it would have been almost $100. Here in the farmers' market, it's nearly half the price. Apples are an incredibly nutritious fruit that offers multiple health benefits. They're rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eating them is linked to a lower risk of many chronic conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Apples may also promote weight loss and improve gut and brain health, according to Healthline.com. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, which help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart disease, and cancer. It's also an excellent source of vitamin A, folate according to WebMD.com. Having antioxidants and antibacterial properties, basil helps maintain skin health, boosts digestion, and detoxifies the body. It also helps in the prevention and cure of diseases like cancer, diabetes, and other heart conditions. Fresh basil contains vitamin A, vitamin K, iron, manganese, calcium, and essential oils according to healthifyme.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this video helped you in your weight loss journey, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next one.